Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. Real quick unboxing video. I just picked up the OMRON MC-681 thermometer, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing just to share it with you. It was about 20 bucks, a little bit less than $20 US. As you can see, it's got a big digital readout. This one is specifically made to go under the armpit, so it's about the right size and shape to fit under your arm. The main advertising feature here is that it's a 20-second measurement device, which is one of the reasons why we picked this one. Some of the other ones made by Citizens and some of the other brands were 30 seconds or 60 seconds. So let's go through these main features on here. It has a memory feature which will show you the last time you took a measurement. So if you're taking two measurements in a row, you can see the difference. It has an auto power off. It has a changeable battery. It's not sealed. Comes with a plastic cover. So let's take a quick look inside. First of all, let's take a look at how it can get the measurement in 20 seconds. Normally, it would take about 10 minutes for the temperature probe to reach the actual full temperature. But if you know the shape of this curve of how it heats up, and you sample the temperature at an earlier point in time, and you know how long it's been since you started, you can estimate what the final temperature will be based on the intermediate temperature. So for example, after 20 seconds you might reach 90% of the final temperature. So if you look at that 90% temperature and extend it out to the 100%, you can estimate out what the final temperature would be. It's probably not super accurate, but in terms of body temperature, it's probably good enough. 0.1 degrees Celsius for body temperature is probably accurate enough. Device is made in China, but it's OMRON, which is a Japanese brand. Here's some more stats. They list that it's plus or minus 0.1 degrees C, and it can do anything from 32 to 42 degrees. So let's take a quick look at the actual product. I've tested it out already actually, and it works pretty well. Goes under your armpit, includes an instruction book with some details on where to place it exactly. You just push the button. 37.0 is actually the last measurement, that's the memory. When this thing is blinking, you should have it under your armpit, and it's supposed to take 20 seconds. Let's see how long this one really takes. As you can see, it beeps and then shows the final temperature. It jumped up from 33.3 up to 35.3, which I guess is what makes the estimate of your final body temperature. So the key thing is that it actually took a little bit longer than 20 seconds, but that could be just because I was holding it in my hand and not under my armpit. 35.3 is actually like borderline hypothermia, but of course I wasn't holding it under my armpit. And let's take a quick look at the case that it comes with. It just kind of clicks in. It's a little tricky to do with one hand while I hold the camera, but one of the things I found is when you're pushing this thing in, you accidentally turn it on sometimes. So you got to grab it by the sides to slide it in and out without accidentally turning it on and off. But it's good to have it just so you don't make it a little bit harder to lose the thermometer or break it by accident. So that's a quick explanation on the MC-681. Looks pretty good. I can't wait to try it out again. I tried it on my son, I tried it on my nephew, I tried it on myself, and it seems to be pretty decent. So give it a try. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
I think it's best to avoid these, and I would say that I'm quite disappointed in a lot of the online resellers and baby blogs